Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition 35 TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular variant is finished in the Glacier white metallic paintwork, which is an optional extra and does really give the vehicle that standout road appearance. As well, this is a part of the approved used range, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. The vehicle is also the Black Edition model, which does mean it comes with the additional Black Edition styling such as the front bumper and rear diffuser design, as well as having the gloss black elements such as the mirror surrounds, window surrounds and rear diffuser. Now moving towards the front of the vehicle and looking at the headlights specifically, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these Black Edition specific 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid matte grey alloys, a part of the Audi Sport range. To the side of the A3 now, there is also that rear privacy glass which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as also keeping those valuable items from view as well. Moving in now to the rear boot space, where we do find up to 425 litres of boot capacity. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now taking a look into the rear, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which has made this A3 Saloon perfect for family usage. Taking a look into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large mounted plush materials such as leather, Dynamica Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean you get these sports nap leather seats, in which are full leather, do have the white stitching and the S logos. Above now we find the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the two digital rev counters, as well as having access to navigation, telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle data. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, as well as also allowing access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please get in touch with our sales